Colby, how old are you going to be on your birthday? 1. Very good. Can you do patty cake, baker's man? Bake me a cake as fast as you can. And pat it, and mix it, and mark it with a C, and put it in the oven for Colby and Mommy. Yay! Good job. Good job. What are you trying to say? God bless you. God bless you. Where's Colby's nose? You don't know? Okay, you done? Can you say bye bye bye? Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. You don't want to do it? Bye bye. How about hi? Is your ear hurting? Hi. Good job. Hi, Colby. Hi. Okay, thank you.